Hey YouTubers, it's Chris Gibson with Chris Gibson Live, and today's Skinny on the Skincare is going to be about sunscreen. The New York Times just this week reported that the state of Hawaii, which is the first state ever to do this, just banned certain chemicals in sunscreen. And as you can imagine, a lot of swimmers in Hawaii, it's a beach, right? So it's very important to understand why they would do something like this. You know, the coral reef system that goes around the world in both oceans, they've been doing some testing, and what they're finding is that there are so many people swimming with sunscreen that we're dumping tons of it. 6,000 pounds of sunscreen on one beach, and that was in St. Thomas. That's crazy, right? That's 6 tons of sunscreen on one beach. And they're finding that sunscreen attaches itself to the coral reefs and the marine life in the ocean, causes their death. So as you can imagine, if the sunscreen isn't good for marine life and it's not good for the coral reefs, it's probably not good for your skin either. So what do? Well, first thing, ditch any sunscreen that has these two chemicals, oxybenzone and octinoxate. There you go. Those are two really crazy words, right? So ban those yourself. Take them out of your cabinets, get rid of them. And what you can do is find products that don't have those. You can also make your own sunscreen. And if you hop over to my blog, which is Skin So Fabulous, if you'll go to that blog, and I'll have the URL for you in just a second, you can find recipes of how to make your own sunscreen and my recommended products of sunscreen that actually pass my test. Now, it's going to be summer, folks. Wear the sunscreen. You don't need 50. Use a good solid, 18 to 30, depending on your skin type. 30 is the max. Anything over that's gonna be greasy, it's gonna be irritating. But what you do need to do, and I'm known for this in Florida, is wear your hat, ladies and gentlemen. Wear your sunglasses, ladies and gentlemen. And stay safe, have fun, and love the skin you're in at any age. So there you go. That's the Skinny on Skincare for today. Check out my blog, and we'll talk soon.